this is the paper of March 2022, and we are solving it. Let's start with the first MCQ. Okay, so, okay, if you look at this diagram, the pale green color, when you turn on the light, becomes concentrated in a certain area. It means it's sensitive to light as well, right? We missed this part. Okay, then this area is becoming colorless and they are all moving over here. It means the movement is also shown. So movement and sensitivity, and they are producing something. So it's a mode of nutrition. So it's B. Okay. Okay. The next one is about the kingdoms. So kingdom Z contains no nucleus. This one is the prokaryote one. Okay. And kingdom cell wall is present in X, so it's plant. And cell wall is not present but not made up of cellulose, that would be fungi. So the answer is C. Okay. The diagram is 77 millimeter long. This is image size. This one is actual size. Okay, calculate the magnification. So magnification is equal to image size over actual size. So let's convert this micrometer into millimeter first. How to convert micrometer into millimeter? Divide this. So it would be 0.001. Are you saying it would be like this? Hmm. Answer is 70,000. Okay. Two type of cells, one animal and one plant, were examined using a light microscope. Let's say it's a light microscope. Which row shows the correct combination of structure that would be observed in the cells? Okay. Animal cell, they don't contains chloroplast. So this option, let's remove these options. Cell wall is also not there. Let's remove these options. So the only correct option available is B. Okay, as these features are not present. Okay, number 5. There is the diffusion of gases on a sunny day. So what would be answer? On a sunny day, the direction of carbon dioxide would be inside the cell. So it would be D. C is for oxygen. Okay, the diagram shows a plant cell after they have been submerged in water for like 20 minutes. So the cell undergoes plasmolysis. Okay. Which row describe the water potential of solution P at the start of experiment and after 20 minutes? So at the start of experiment, the water potential would be high inside the cell. Yes. And after this, it would, wait, what is P? P is a solution. Wait, P is a solution. So they asked about P. So inside the cell, it's higher, and in solution P, it is lower, right? Okay. And then what happens? Plasmolysis and it become flaccid. Okay, this option cannot be correct because here turgid is written. Hmm. Next one, seventh. Which row is correct for positive food test for vitamin C? That's blue. No, not required. It becomes colorless. Correct. In which molecule are cross-linked formed between bases? Okay, bases mean the nitrogenous bases. Yes. So it's DNA. What controls the speed of chemical reaction in all living organisms? So chemical reactions are done by or speed up by enzymes. Yes. Enzymes have an optimum temperature at which they're most active. So what would happen below the optimum temperature and what would happen above the optimum temperature? So below the optimum temperature, they have less kinetic energy, and above the optimum temperature, they would get denature. So answer is C. Next one. Okay. There is a white part and there is a green part, and this is covered with foil. It means this area is not receiving any light. Okay, then it is stained with iodine. So, which areas become blue black? White areas are not going to become blue black at all. No. The green area. So, it would be A, since this also won't become blue black. It's not receiving light, there won't be production of starch. Okay. The graph shows the effect of light intensity. What is X? Okay. Light intensity. Which condition can be caused by the lack of fiber? Constipation. In which test tube will be the breakdown of fastest? Milk, lipase, and biles, all three are required. So it's A. So boiled one won't be there because the enzyme would get denatured. Okay, this diagram shows stages in the passage of water through the plant. Which arrows show water moving in the form of water vapors? Okay. B is water vapors, is the transpiration. Next one. The diagram shows some potato tubers. New shoots are beginning to grow. This is now would act as source. Simple. Source sucrose is being translocated from source to sink. So which statement is correct? If this is source, then what is shoot? Shoot is sink. The tuber is sink? No. The soil is sink? No. The shoots are sources? No. The shoots are sink? Yes. So answer is D. Okay, diagram of heart is given. What is Q? This is atrioventricular valve. What is the function of this? So which option is correct? C. It prevents the backflow of blood into part P, which is atria. Okay, there are three type of blood vessels. Okay, no, sorry, this is something else. During the process of blood clotting, damaged blood vessels stimulate L, M is converted into N. So what is stimulated and what is converted into what? Platelets are stimulated, they convert into fibrin, which is insoluble. That's why it forms a scab. Which statement about passive immunity is correct? Antibodies are acquired from some other source. It is not produced by body, it's taken from some other source. Compared with inspired air, which description of expired air is correct? Expired air contains more carbon dioxide and less oxygen. So option B. Which, okay, what are the percentages? The inspired and expired. Correct. Hmm. And nitrogen is same, 78%. Correct. Which row shows the feature of the gas exchange surface in humans? So the surface area is more, definitely that's that only then the exchange is more, and the thickness would be thin. Okay, there are four characteristics of alveoli. Basically, they're talking about alveoli. So alveoli have more surface area. Two are given. They have thin uh, layered so that there would be easy diffusion. What are the other two? It has a layer of moisture on it, correct. Lots of blood vessels covering it. Okay. Yeast is placed in a container full of glucose and no air. So what is the correct statement for this? So these are not the correct. Alcohol and carbon dioxide. This one takes place in muscles in during the anaerobic respiration. Which process uses energy released in respiration? Which process need energy? Growth needs energy. Which term describe the removal of nitrogen containing part of amino acid? Deamination. Okay, there are two forms of the nervous system is given. What forms the central nervous system? One, brain and spinal cord, so 1 and 2, while 3 is the peripheral nervous system, and these are the neurons. Number 6, the structure of eye is given. What is the correct labeling, I guess? Yeah. Which one is the correct labeling? What is pupil? Pupil is 5. This one, exactly. Cornea. Cornea would be 6. Okay. The layer. Okay. Lens. Lens. Okay, it's written over here. I was finding where is the labeling. Lens. Okay. Okay. And then iris is 4. So which option is correct? It's D. Yes. What happened to the amount of insulin and glucagon in the body when a person eats rice? So when you eat rice, definitely the glucose level increases, due to which there would be more insulin produced. Okay. And glucagon would decrease. And the purpose is to convert the glucose into glycogen. Okay, there is a study and a graph is given. Okay, what is it? A study investigate the effect of arm muscle uh, surface area on taking testosterone and doing exercise. A participant in the study were given either or placebo. And the placebo does not contain any testosterone. Okay, and no exercise or exercise. So, what conclusion about the data in the graph is correct about the average change in arm muscle surface area? Would it help them to build their muscles or not? What could be the correct statement according to the given data? Exactly. So yes, it has an effect. No exercise and not taking has the greater effect. No, exercise has the same effect as no exercise. No, so the only correct answer is D. Okay, next one. Which statement about reproduction is correct? All living species can produce asexually? No, some cannot. Gametes are needed for asexual reproduction? No, that is for sexual reproduction. Only organisms that are separated from other organisms of the same species can reproduce asexually? No. Some organisms reproduce asexually and sexually. Yes. What will happen if a woman smoke during pregnancy? Nicotine can cross the placenta, yes. Nicotine can cause COPD, no. The woman can become addicted to carbon monoxide, no. Carbon monoxide can cause cancer, no. So the only correct option is A. Okay. There are hormones, and then there are it's about the cycle. Okay. D is the progesterone. Okay. LH. Yeah, C is LH. A is A is I guess A Wait, FSH increases in the first. So FSH decreases over here. So, no, wait. Okay, let's say FSH. And B is the estrogen. Okay. So LH is C. Okay. Next one. What happens to the mass of DNA in a nucleus before mitosis occur? For mitosis, it gets double, so that when the cell divide into two, they would have the same number of chromosomes. So 2 into 4 and then 4 divided into 2 and 2. Okay, in a species of pea plant, height is controlled by one gene. The allele for tall is dominant, and it is, for short, it's this one. Let's say it's for tall, it's for short. Okay, a test cross is done to identify the genotype of the tall pea plant. The table shows the possible phenotype, and if a large organism's offsprings are produced, which row is possible? And the test process between, which options are correct? Let's say. Okay. The very first thing for a test cross, we may use the heterozygous parents. Okay. So if we use heterozygous parents, what would be all short, and they can be heterozygous. So if a test cross is there, so it would be T, 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 and T, T, and T, and it would be like this test cross, I guess. So they would have tall as well, they would have het tall heterozygous as well, and short as well. So all short are not possible, and all tall heterozygous are not possible. They can be tall and short, they can be this. Oh my god, this is so confusing. Ah, homozygous is wrong. Now, all short homozygous is not possible. So I guess 2 and 4 are the possible rows. Exactly. And tall homozygous is also there if you put them in a test cross. Which statement about variation is correct? So for variation, let's say continuous variation result in few phenotypes. No. Continuous variation have many phenotypes. Okay. Discontinuous has a few phenotype with no intermediates. Yes. Phenotypic variation is caused by environmental factor only. No, it is caused by both environmental and genetic. So these one are also wrong. So the correct answer is B. Some plants have small leaves with thick waxy cuticle. Which row describe the effect of these features on water loss and the type of plant that has these features? So it's a thick waxy cuticle. There would be less water loss, and it would be zero fight. Some plant of the same species can be crossed with each other to form hybrids. So there is species 1 and then there is species 2. It has 70 chromosomes. It has, you have to find how many chromosomes are there. But the species had 64. Let's say what is the half of this? 35, right? And we need a half of this as well. 64 minus 35 is 29. 29, right? So what would be the diploid number of 29? 58. Yes, we have to give the diploid number. So the answer is 58. Okay. They haven't asked us about the gamete. They asked us about the the species, the diploid species. Okay. 37. There are some stages of nitrogen cycle. Which processes are carried out at each step? Atmospheric nitrogen to nitrate is nitrogen fixation. Nitrification. Your nitrification is also over there. Then plant protein into ammonium compound. This is deamination 3-1. Is deamination is given? No. It's it can be. Okay, ammonium into nitrate is 4 is nitrification. Yes. 4 is nitrification. Let's say is oh this one. Oh, I missed the arrow. This one is nitrogen fixation. Okay. I thought this is my bad. I thought the direction is this. Okay. Nitrate are converting back into atmospheric pressure. Sorry, is the denitrification. Denitrification. So let's say number 2 is absorption. Nitrates are taken up by the plant through active transport and convert them into protein. So which option is correct? Oh my god, it's so confusing. 2 is absorption. Decomposition is 3. Denitrification is it would be B. Correct. Okay. Genetically modified bacteria are used to produce human protein. Into which component of the bacterial cell is human DNA inserted to produce human protein? We insert human DNA into plasmid. The sugar in milk is digested by an enzyme. What is the name of that enzyme? Lactase. And what is the name of sugar? Is lactose sugar simple? Yeah, lactose sugar and lactase. Last one, finally. Okay, the list shows the activity happen in forest. Which activities are likely to ensure that the forest is sustainable? Number 1, cutting down only selected trees. Yes, it can be. Educating people. Yes. Replanting trees. Yes. Cutting down. No. So 1, 2, and 3 are correct.